Hey everyone, so I wanted to give you an overview of what the Paper Airplane Lab is before we just kind of set you free. So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking different shaped airplane wings, paper airplane wings, and we're going to be seeing how that affects the amount of lift that the airplane gets and how it would determine how far it goes. So I'm going to share my screen and show you what we would have done had we been in school currently. So basically this is the packet that we would have done. And pretty much we would do the research and the hypothesis and the experiment, description, the independent variable, dependent variable, constants, all that jazz. What we're going to do is kind of similar to the egg drop project where you're going to get a little bit each day. So that's kind of the plan for that. So again, the question or what we're trying to see is how will different styles of wings affect how a paper airplane will fly? So I'm going to show you the different types of wings so you can kind of get an idea of that. And then I'll show you what you need to do for your assignment today. So the first set of paper airplane or first wing type is the triangular shaped, okay? So basically what we have is the traditional paper airplane, triangular shaped. And we'll go over how to build these when it actually comes time to building. But for now, for today, all you need to know is kind of what they look like. So this is the triangular shaped, standard paper airplane. Next up is going to be the rectangular shaped wing. So it's kind of the baby preschool version of a paper airplane. This is kind of the simplest, probably what you did when you first learned how to do a paper airplane. Okay, so this would be rectangular wings. Okay, it has a nose to it, but more so rectangular shaped wings. And then finally, the hexagonal shaped wings. This is a fancy one. So kind of has 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we would call it hexagon. And this is kind of what it looks like. So basically for today, what you're going to be doing is you are going to be working on a document that allows you to type down your hypothesis as well as your experiment description. So basically what you have here is your hypothesis, and it writes underneath exactly what a hypothesis is. It's a hypothesis is an educated guess about what will happen in your experiment. Remember, we're trying to see how different shaped paper airplane wings are going to affect how well the airplane flies. So I already got the hypothesis started for you. It says, if I fly paper airplanes with triangular wings, rectangular wings, or hexagonal wings, then the paper airplane with, and you're just going to finish the sentence. So then the paper airplane with whatever one you think will fly the best. Okay, so that's kind of how you're going to finish up the hypothesis. Again, it's already started for you, you just need to finish it. And then the experiment description says, give a brief summary of how you will test your hypothesis. It should be no more 2 to 3 sentences tops, like don't go over that. I will make 3 different paper airplanes with differently shaped wings. I will throw each one and measure how far they go. I will compare my results. Something similar to that, like super simple, don't go crazy with it. Keep it nice, 2 to 3 sentences. If you were to explain to someone at home what you're doing in the experiment, that's pretty much what you would write here. Oh yeah, we're doing an experiment where we make these paper airplanes, but they have different shaped wings, and then we throw them and we see how far they go and see which one flies the best. Something like that is what you should be typing into the experiment description. So that is all you need to do for today, okay? Just like the egg drop project, we're gonna go nice and slow. So we're doing the hypothesis and the experiment description today. Tomorrow is going to be independent variable, dependent variable, and constants. And then Thursday is going to be the procedure. So coming up with what are you going to do first? What are you going to do second? What are you going to do third? What are you going to do fourth? And you'll see when you get to the procedure, it's a little bit more challenging than people typically think. So again, just want to show you the 3 types so you can kind of get it in your head so you can think of what you think will be the best flying one. So again, we have the triangular shaped one, we have the rectangular shaped one, and we have the hexagonal shaped one. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me via the private comment on your classroom assignment. But that is all for today. Have a good one, guys.